Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy tuna dip. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of drained tuna, about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 stalk of finely chopped celery, and 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion. Don't forget a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and your basic seasonings like salt, pepper, and a dash of paprika. This dip comes together in just minutes. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, let's get mixing. First, make sure your 2 cans of tuna are very well drained. This prevents a watery dip. Transfer the flaked tuna into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, add the 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, the finely chopped celery, the diced red onion, and the 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Gently fold everything together until it is well combined. Then stir in the 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and your seasonings. This is the fun part, perfecting the flavor. After mixing, always taste your tuna dip. This allows you to adjust the seasonings to your liking. You might want to add a little more salt or freshly ground black pepper. If you desire a brighter, tangier taste, a few extra drops of fresh lemon juice can make a big difference. For those who enjoy a bit of heat, a small dash of your favorite hot sauce can add a wonderful spicy kick. Remember, it's all about personal preference. Your homemade tuna dip is now ready to be enjoyed. For the best flavor and texture, I recommend chilling it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. It's absolutely delicious served with a variety of dippers, such as crispy crackers, warm pita bread, or crunchy fresh vegetable sticks like carrots and celery. You can also use it as a flavorful sandwich spread or a light and healthy lettuce wrap filling. Garnish with fresh parsley or a sprinkle of paprika for an appealing finish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.